Alrighty, boys and girls. This time, today, we are going to work on drawing our own picture and writing a number sentence that matches it, okay? So, the pictures are going to be simple. They don't have to be really, like, fancy or anything like that. But we're going to be subtracting tens, okay? And so we're going to start with an even 10, and we're going to start with a picture. So on the front of your paper, you can see that number 1 looks kind of like this. And then there's a box right here for you to draw your picture, okay? And so, for number 1, again, we're just going to keep it really, really simple. And the picture that we're going to draw is like this. And we're going to put a little 10 in there, okay? And we're going to make another little square and put a 10 in here. And we're going to make another little square, put a 10, square, 10, square, 10, square, and 10. Okay? So, how many do you see up there? If each one of these is 10, how many did I make? That's right. So I've got 6 tens, which makes 60. And we're going to cross out 20 of them, so we're taking away 20, which leaves us with, right? Everybody on the same page? Good deal. Let's do one more quick one, and then I'm going to turn you loose, and then you're going to have to do the ones that are in there. You're not going to get to necessarily make your own, but you know what I'm saying, okay? So then here we've got 2. Number 2 on the front, okay? This time we're going to go with okay, so this time I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which makes 80. We're going to cross out, okay, which leaves us with, very good. Let's turn to the middle. Don't forget to put your name on your paper. All right. So, the easy part about this is you don't have to be able to read every single word. I'd like for you to try, but you really don't have to be able to. This says, and you'll notice, it says, a store had 60 blueberry muffins. It sold 30 of the muffins. How many muffins does the store have now? So you could just look at the story, find the big number, and make that number. Then find the small number, cross out that number, and then essentially write your number sentence from that, okay? But I would rather you try at least to read the story, okay? Read the story that goes along with it. Now, so I would like for you to pause the video and do numbers 1 through 5 now. If you have big problems trying to make a word or trying to do something like that, raise your hand. I'll come around and help you. But I would like for you to try to read the stuff on your own because I think that most of you are getting really close to being able to do that anyway. So if you need help with one word, I'll come around and help you. But I would like for you to pause the video now and do numbers 1 through 5. Very good. Let's look at the back. It says, oh, you thought I was going to tell you, didn't you? Nope. I would like for you to try to read number 6. I would like for you to try to read number 6, draw your picture, and then solve for it, okay? Do that now. Very good. I would also like for you to do number 7, okay? Again, if you need help reading, just pause the video and I'll come help you with a word, but I want you to try to read it on your own, okay? You try to read it on your own, all right? Very good. Miss Sydney, please stop tapping. See, she likes to tap too. And sometimes her daddy has to ask her to stop tapping. Okay? So, very good. If you need help, did I tell you, I can't remember if I told you to do number 7. Did I tell him to do number 7? Okay, I already told you to do number 7. So, very good. If you're done and you don't have any questions, go ahead and log yourself into Prodigy. You've done a very nice job, and we will do it again tomorrow.